Hello, I'm Kathy Harriet from the Punta Gorda Charlotte Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pop-up flower card. I cut these out on our Cricut machine. If you don't know what a Cricut machine is, go to www.cricut.com and you can take a look and see at all of the amazing things that you can make with a Cricut. Now that they are cut out, we have 7 flowers. You can paint, decorate, color on them. You can tint them by rubbing on the edges to give it a little depth, but we're just going to do plain ones today. So first thing you're going to do is fold each of the petals so you get a nice crisp flower. All right, and we'll take that guy and fold him in that way. This paper has a little bit of texture to it, so I like to leave the texture on the inside. It's flat on the outside, just gives it a little more life. So you can use tacky glue. This is my favorite glue, but it's expensive. It's called Art Glitter Glue. I got it on Amazon. And I also have a paint pen from Martha Stewart's collection. But we will use the Art Glitter Glue because it dries really fast. You're going to take your flower, and you're not going to put that much glue on it because it won't dry fast. I squeezed it too hard. You're going to take your flower and you're going to cross it over the top of the other one, and you're going to hold it just like that. It's going to make this cone. Now if you want to make your flowers for something other than a card, you can bend it like this and you'll get some life to your card. So we're going to do all the flowers. Just like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just needs to be able to bend so that you can see the cone of the flower. Okay. See if I can do the right amount of glitter glue. There we go. It's a little better. Still got to spread it around. I think I'm going to switch to the tacky glue, even though this is my favorite glue. It's not doing what I want it to do today, though it is sticking. I don't know about you, but I love pop-up cards. I tend to buy them at the store, and when I do, I buy 2 so that I can take one apart and see how it works. But now, since I've learned how to do some pop-ups, this is actually the easiest pop-up I've done. I don't even buy them at the store anymore. I go online and look to see who's got a really good instructional video, and I watch them. And there are so many cards you can make by hand. You don't even have to have a cutting machine. They generally do give instructions on how to do them without the cutting machine. Believe it or not, in England they do a lot of homemade cards, and a lot of the blogs that I follow are based in England, and they really have a great community of card makers over there that someday, maybe if I win the lottery, I'll get to go and see. They have mechanical cards you can make. I'm telling you, you could be up all night on Pinterest. That is my insomnia cure. Actually, it's actually the cause of my insomnia. Because I'll wake up and I'll get on Pinterest, and that's the end of the night. Down for the count. Okay. Definitely going to use the tacky glue for sticking them together. Though this is sticking together pretty good. We'll see. It does glue very well. And it dries nice and clear. It's like the clearest I've ever seen. Generally, you don't see any glue once this dries. But did you know that if you do have extra glue, you can use a pencil eraser to get rid of it. Just rub it on there and it actually takes it off pretty well. Just a little hint. If you're a bad gluer, which I'm getting better as I practice. Okay, so we have our 7 flowers. Your next step is you're going to fold them flat like that. So you have 3 petals sticking up. Fold them flat. Whoops. Flat. Now here is a tip I'm going to give you. This is a pretty card. It's blank on the inside. What are you going to do to make it pretty? Do your flower on the inside. Now is a pretty card on the outside and a pretty card on the inside. And it's personalized. You can do the person's favorite colors. It's just pretty. You're going to find your card. But you can buy these cards, these blank cards in the craft store. There's your card. Next step, this is where it gets tricky-ish. So you're going to take this flower, it's going to be your starting flower, and you're going to put a little bit of glue right there. Said a little bit, Kath. Okay. And you're going to take this flower and you're going to place it on top of the one side, just like that. Press it real good. And I'm going to take this flower and press it right there. You can do all the same color flowers, then you have one pretty bouquet, but I like doing the different colors. Your next step is to take your glue. I'm going to put it right there. I'm going to take this guy, I'm going to stick it on top right there. So you can see right now how it's coming along. And you're going to need a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue here. So you're going to glue them down just like that. I did it that way because I couldn't remember if I had to put the glue there. So you can see how it's coming along like that. Next step is to put your glue right here, a little bit here, a little here, a little here. You're going to take this one and you're going to place it right here and glue that down. Let's take the blue guy, place you here, glue that down. Hold them really good. Yeah, the art glitter glue does dry faster than the tacky glue. Okay, there we go. It's coming along. Look how pretty. It's coming along. So now you're going to take your flower and you're going to put some glue right here. And I put a lot of glue on there, but that's okay. That's what paper towels are for. You're going to place that right there. You're just going to hold it until you're happy with the fact that it's staying. Come on. Open. Yes. Yes. Okay. And I'm going to take a little glue and I'm going to put a little bit right there and a little bit right there and put that down. Now you're going to take your card and lay it down flat. You're going to look to see where you want to put your flower and put it. You're going to match up the center of the card with this edge. You're going to take your flower, and you're going to put glue right on here. And hold on. Okay. And place it down right like that. You're going to close your there we go. Close your card. And you're going to press it real good. Okay, there we go. Never dries fast enough. I'm really not a very patient person. It doesn't dry fast enough for me. All right, I'm gonna have to put a little more. Hope everybody's well. Little chat while we're crafting. All right, so then you're gonna take some glue and you're gonna put it right on here. You're going to close your card and you're going to press it down and let the glue dry. You can do it in other shaped cards. I have some square ones that you could do, and that would be pretty. Just whatever you like. You can go ahead and, if you do the blank card, you can decorate the outside like I did with this one. I've got some washi tape decorations. I did some coloring, and then I wrote, "Don't forget to smell the flowers." And then you can even take a pen or paint and do leaves. It's all up to you. Get creative. Alrighty. So there we go. Pop-up flower card. Really easy. And it looks so pretty. And wouldn't you be happy to get that in the mail? Open it up and it pops out like that. So pretty. I hope you enjoyed the craft, and I hope to do more with you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.